How did you get this video?
He sent it to the group chat.
He sent it to the group chat?
Yes.
What an idiot.
And there's multiple videos.
Oh, what an idiot.
It seems like they're all going about 50 miles an hour, and it says 93. I mean, I'm not saying he doesn't speed or anything, but they all have their brake lights on. Semi-trucks can't go 93. He's going the same speed, so I don't know where that speed mile an hour is coming from.
He sent it on a group chat about his own car.
But common sense would say that truck isn't going 103 miles an hour.
What truck?
The semi-truck on the right of him that's going the same speed as him.
Are you making an excuse for that?
You can look at the video. If you think that's accurate, then that's fine, but...
I'm just looking at
how
he's going, weaving in between cars. You think that that's reasonable?
No.
Do you know that when I am on a parkway and I see a moron like that weaving in between cars, all I say is, I hope they kill themselves alone and don't take anybody else with them. He shouldn't have a car. He shouldn't be driving a car. You shouldn't be stealing the keys to a car. So it's going to cost you $7,000 or $6,000 to fix the car?
Yeah, that's what
I pay. She's going to pay $1,000 for stealing it. You're going to pay the rest. Got it?
Got it.
Perfect. That's what happens. Because unfortunately, morons like you usually don't go alone. They usually take a family of 4 with them. So this one's going to cost you. You understand?
Yeah, I don't care.
You don't mind that, do you? Perfect.
Yeah.
Judgment for the plaintiff. Costs you $1,000 to take a joyride. We're done.
This court is adjourned.
The litigants leave the courtroom. Outside the courtroom, Sean then Sierra.
I think it's unfair. She stole the car and broke it.
It was a good decision. I did apologize, and I accept what I did was wrong.
When the car broke down, the dashboard lit up like a Christmas tree. The sounds were loud and clanky.
He even drove to Ventura for 2 hours after that and was speeding the whole way there.
There's only the one video of me speeding, and it's inaccurate.
Like, I didn't think of it as stealing. I thought it was like a joke. I didn't really mean to, like, steal it or anything.
It's good, running, no problems, nothing. The mechanics did a great job fixing it.
Well, I'm obviously not going to do it again.
Keep it under 50.
I thought it was ridiculous. It was funny to me.
Judy and Sarah.
Do you know how furious I get, Sarah, when I'm driving on a parkway, and I don't drive myself on a parkway anymore. I just don't have the...
reaction time.
That's bad. I don't have the reaction times that I did, and I feel a little tenuous. I like to drive in local streets where I know where I'm going. But when I'm on a parkway and I see these cars weaving in and out, speed limit is 55, so you're going 75, or you're going 80. But you're weaving in and out, and you're coming up on cars, they don't know that you're there.
I know that you hate that. I know that you do.
Because, you know, when you...
It tenses everybody else up.
When you
everybody
pick
else
up a
gets
newspaper
nervous.
and you see what can happen.
Yeah.
Car can flip over if you're going too fast. Somebody could be fixing a tire on the side of the road. And I really just pray that if something happens, they go alone.
I know.
So this kid is bound for trouble. Yeah. The police pull me over now, and they only give me a speeding ticket for 60. Well, that means he's been pulled over for speeding numerous times because the police know who he is. I say to myself, I've been driving a very long time, and I'm not saying I've never speeded. 10 miles, maybe 8 miles over the speed limit, but I've never been stopped for speeding. Here's a kid who the police know by his first name.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Anyway.
He slows down.
Title, Judy Justice.
Want justice? Go to judyjustice.tv.
You filed for a protective order?
I can show you where I had to actually block her from messaging me on Facebook.
I was not aware of none of this.
She is, I would have to say, obsessed with me.
There is an order of protection against you. If you violate the order of protection, you're going to jail. Get it through your noodle.
This is Judy. Previously on Judy Justice.
It seems that you were married and the defendant dated your husband.
Yes, ma'am.
Was that after the divorce?
Before the divorce.
Before. Tell me what happened.
So me and my ex-husband, we were sitting in the car, and Sunshine got out of her car and tried to punch the passenger side of my window car.
Who robbed what?
He put out a handgun and demanded money from me. Faith snatched the money and ran. Both of them ran out of the vehicle.
This is from your ex-husband's text messages.
Yes.
It reads, your face next. Call Faith and tell her to check her vehicle. And then?
I also have a text message that she sent with a video of her actually busting out of my windshield. And I also have a Ring camera video of her busting the tires as well.
You have a countersuit.
Yes.
And your countersuit is for false charges. I assume these are the false charges.
Yes.
And now, the conclusion. Faith Hamilton is suing her ex-husband's partner, Sunshine Green, for vandalizing her car and defamation.
Anything else you want to tell me?
I also have another message where she sent to Adele.
I read it.
It says...
Just a sec, don't tell me what it says. B-A-E, what does that mean?
Bae. That's what she was calling him.
Bae. I'm not trying to be in nasty words, but I guess you don't want me anymore. I cry. I done fake accounts. I called from numerous numbers. I broke out windows. I keep in door. Told me that you were going to come back, which you didn't. I'm not going to wish bad on you. I love you, but this has caused me a lot. I will not reach out to you anymore. I give up trying. There are a few items here at the house that you didn't left. I will reach out to Faith or your mother to give it to them. There are still clothes and other personal things you left.
That is not me. She said Adele be out there with multiple other girls. That is not me.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes. So for the second part of my claim, I would have to say that I believe Sunshine is, I would have to say, obsessed with me. There are many occasions where, one, that report that Sunshine told you about, where she filed the robbery charges against me and my ex-husband, when I answered to the detective, talked to him, I told him.
You can't tell me what you told the detective. Were you arrested on that complaint?
I was not arrested on that complaint. I actually received the order of protection from that.
Just a second. The answer is you were not arrested on her complaint.
No.
You weren't, in fact, contacted by the police.
Yes.
Subsequent to being contacted by the police is what you're telling me that you filed for a protective order?
Yes, and I was granted it.
Do you have a copy of it?
Yes.
I'd like to see it. What happened with it?
We have an order
Can I see
of
that,
stay
Your
away
Honor?
until May 9th of this year.
Did you have a hearing?
Yes, we had.
Who was present at the hearing?
I was there.
Was she there?
Yes.
Was testimony taken?
Not for me, no.
Was testimony taken from Miss Green?
Can I explain what happened on those dates? Because we had to go 3 times. On the first date, Sunshine told the judge that I lived with her.
Your Honor, she did state on record that
Just a second.
she was arrested.
Just a second.
So I had to prove that I didn't live with her because that's what Sunshine told the judge. And then when we went back, it was another discrepancy from Sunshine. And then when we went back, that's when the judge gave me the final order and the temporary protection order for May 9th of this year.
But you don't have to return to court. It expires May 9th.
Yes.
Does the defendant have a protective order against you?
No.
No. What else?
I also have where Sunshine posted on Facebook saying that I was a wanted felon, and she also posted where I live on Facebook.
Well, just a second. Are you on Facebook?
I am.
Can I see where she posted that you're a wanted felon?
Yes.
Before I look at it, did you post that she was a wanted felon?
I would like to see what she...
I'm asking you, before I look at it, I'm asking you whether or not you posted that she was a wanted felon.
No, I posted Adele is a wanted felon.
Okay.
Your Honor, can I say that?
Yes, no, you did. You did. Listen to me.
That?
I'm going to read it to you. If you know Adele, contact the police department in New York State Parole. He is wanted. Also, if you know where Faith Hamilton is, she is accomplished. I assume you meant accomplice with hiding Adele, and she is wanted by the Police Department for felony charges. Her last known area.
Can I see that, please, ma'am?
Absolutely.
Your Honor, can I say?
Shh.
Oh.
Right. It clearly states that Adele is wanted by the police.
Keep reading.
Hiding Adele, and she is wanted by the police department for felony charges.
Correct.
Right. With these charges that I filed on police department, which is here, I have it. They are wanted.
No, madam. First